What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezy, and guess what? We have another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Eva, for sending me this beautiful deep wave lace front wig. But as you can see, it is a 13x6, so the part can be a little longer. And modeling today, we have the lovely Sideria. So first and foremost, you already know I'm taking my green alcohol and removing any oil or makeup from the application area. And I know I've been saying no alcohol for like the longest time, but for some reason green alcohol is a lot more just sensitive than the regular clear alcohol. It does not dry the skin out completely, and it doesn't give my clients red rashes like clear alcohol does. So yes, green alcohol is the bomb. Also, I used to use like coconut oil to get my frontal off, but now I realize that the green alcohol takes the frontals off so much easier, and that's just like my new favorite product right now. So once I put the wig on, I can take my eyeliner pencil and trace the shape of the hairline and then get ready to glue. Alright, so I'm going to tell you guys a little story about how I ripped my edges out. Actually, twice. So a long time ago, I used to do my own hair, my own frontals, and I used to use Ghost Bond glue to put my wigs on, right? So I used to be really particular about my edges, and I wanted them to be safe. So I used to use this stuff called Morning Glory, or any other type of like hair protector or whatever for quick weaves, and like glob it on my edges, right? And then put the glue on. But you know, the glue never touched my hair at all. It was only on my skin. So one day I put my frontal on, and it was on for like a full 2 weeks. Took it off, washed my hair, and I literally had a clean, okay, like baby bottom clean bald spot on both sides of my temples, and it went so far back, and I'm like, hold on, the glue wasn't even back here. How the hell? Okay, I was so confused. I was looking in the mirror for like 10 minutes straight because I could not believe my edges was gone. And I realized that the glue doesn't really take people's edges out. I mean, unless you abuse it, of course. But it's like that Morning Glory, that edge protector stuff. It's like that stuff will dry the hell out of your hair. So if you guys are trying to protect your edges, I suggest you just moisturize them and don't get no glue on it, and put your frontal directly on your skin. Don't try to put all these extra gels and protectors and got to be and all that stuff because you think that the glue will take out your edges, but guess what? It's those gels that will take your edges out first. And that's my story for today. Alright, you guys, so now that the frontal is glued on, I can take my scissors and cut the excess lace off to get rid of those edges sticking up. Alright, now I can take my green alcohol and erase that eyeliner line off her skin. Alright, so now I can add my setting foam. I have Tropical Roots by Bronner Bros, one of my favorite setting foams ever. And I'm about to start my style, and you guys know I love doing my styles wet. So before we do the style at the top, I'm going to take my comb and just separate a thin roll of hair in the front so we can do our baby hair last. Oh my gosh, you guys, this style came out so cute. I wasn't even expecting it to come out this cute. So now that that's done, I can take my baby hairs and cut them about 1 inch all the way around. Alright, now I'm going to take my got-to-be glue and lay these edges down. Alright, so this lace is looking a little Casper the Ghost-ish, so I'm going to take some brown powder and just dab it over the top so I can blend it a little more. So you guys, this is the final look, and this hairstyle came out so cute. Once again, thank you so much, Eva, for sending me this lovely deep wave lace front wig. It is super soft, as you can see. I wish y'all can touch it because it's so soft and thick, and it's definitely breezy approved. And if y'all know where my model came from, if y'all know exactly what video she came from, put the title below. Let me see if y'all are a true fan, okay? If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.